Hi, Disney Playtime here with the next episode from our Shopkins series, and today we're going to be unboxing this fantastic So Cool Shopkins Fridge. You get 2 packs of stickers with this play set, and you can use these to customise your fridge. You get lots of stickers here, very colourful and cute Shopkins stickers. We have 2 shopping bags as well which come with the set, and we have a cup here, and this is for the icer, so we'll play with that in a moment. First we're going to look at these little mini Shopkins, which are 6 eggs, and each of these Shopkins has a different face. With this here you can tilt the Shopkins. There's 2 more with different faces. Here's the last one. So we have 6 of these. Put those back in there. If you want, you can take these shelves out. Like that, just like a real fridge. We can tilt our mini Shopkin eggs up and down, and then in here is our fridge, and we have 2 exclusive Shopkins. Wow, these are fantastic. This looks like an ice cream, perfect for our fridge. We can put this in the freezer. The Shopkin is a bottle of soda. These are really lovely Shopkins. We're going to put the soda in the door of the fridge, and we'll put the ice cream in the freezer. This is our freezer compartment. In here is our ice crusher. We can pop a Shopkin in, shut the door, take our cup and push for ice. And there we have our Shopkin. We have a pineapple crush Shopkin now. Wow, that's fun. Let's do another one of those. And down it comes. Really cool. So we can fill our fridge with Shopkins. So let's put these in. have an extra freezer drawer here too. I have room for lots more in here. Once we've filled our fridge, we can shut it up. And if we just want some ice, in goes the Shopkin, and out it comes. We have our iced drink. And we can go to the freezer. And here we have waffles with ice cream. Yum! We can open our fridge and take out some soda. And we can get some ice cream from our freezer. We'll put these into our shopping bag now. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please click like and subscribe to Disney Playtime for more from our Shopkins series. Stay tuned for more Shopkins from Disney Playtime.